What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Beastly Ninja Gaming, and his name is still pending. My name isn't still pending. I'm still thinking what my YouTube name is going to be. That means you're thinking of it. That means it's pending. Yeah, and I'm making another YouTube video at the same time as we're making a YouTube video. Look at the people on my channel. Hey. Give God a kiss. Kiss. Thank God. Oh, queen. This is my first ever video. Vlog. This is my first. I've made many more vlogs. This is my first ever video with my cousin. I do vlogs. I don't do videos. I do vlogs. I do vlogs. This is my first entire video with my cousin, and I'm just going to make. And yeah, I'm going to show you how I work my business. I'm going to show you the gym, not how you. You see these boys? Look at these boys. Oh yeah, one-handed. Oh boy, you like that? Guys, if you want to see me do what my cousin just did, go check on his channel. I will do it. Just not with that thing, hat. I'm on both of the screens of the channels. My channel has a better screen than yours. No. Okay, look, guys, that was just me dropping weight. I'm gonna go shopping. I'm not allowed to do YouTube video on something. My mom is scared that I might drop it, so we're gonna do it. We're gonna put it on the chair and they can watch it. Let me ask my mom if I'm allowed to do that. Oh! Stop crying, Mario. Stop crying, Beastly. Stop crying, Beastly Ninja Gaming. You're Beast and you're a ninja. Yeah, you didn't hear his name. His name is actually not that. I hear my name in the future. Ear. Because if you did hear him, just don't tell anyone. Okay? And if you're on my channel, don't tell anyone his name I said. Because no one's gonna like it. And the mom in the world will definitely not like it. Basically.